Hello, my dear children. Now again we are here to see some more new topic of our unit third. That is today's learning objective that we are going to learn. Today's learning objective is current loop as a magnetic dipole. Current loop is a magnetic dipole. Here I am going to see here. For that, my dear children, a current loop लेंगे that behaves as a magnetic dipole. How it is? I consider a circular coil. Say here is the axis in which current is flowing. Here is a circular coil carrying current in this manner. When seen from above, current flows in anti-clockwise direction. जब ऊपर से देखेंगे ये सर्कुलर कॉइल है, ऊपर से देख रहे हैं the current is anti-clockwise, but just नीचे से देखेंगे that will clockwise. You can draw a circle on a single paper and see from above and below. You see the direction is different. That I can say here. So here, when the current is flowing, so the concentric magnetic circular field lines are something like this, here and here. So here see that these type of lines are coming over here in this manner. Here also I can say these are the magnetic field lines. When seen from this surface, you can see these are a clockwise direction, and see from this face it is something like this. Now what we are going to see, this will behave as a magnetic dipole. How it is, let us see. This is a symbol of equivalence. Dear children, the magnetic lines due to each elementary portion of the circular coil are circular near the element. Here, यहाँ पर देखिए आप. It is a circular field lines near this element here and here, and almost straight near a center of circular coil here in this manner. So this is a circular coil in which small element of length where the current is flowing here in this manner and here in this manner. So I can say the magnetic lines of force seen to enter at the lower face of the coil and leave at the upper face of the coil. ऊपर से देखेंगे तो ऐसा लग रहा है it is leaving, और from the lower face it is entering. So lower face through which the lines of force enters at that side behave as a south pole because current is clockwise. Here the current is clockwise new. In this manner देख सकते हैं, इधर देखिए ये और इस साइड में ये. It will behave as a south pole. So the lower face through which the lines of force enters behave as a south pole, and in this direction I can say current is clockwise, and the upper face through which the field lines leaves behave as a north pole because the current here it is like this here and here like this. So it will behave as a north pole from this face. Okay, so here you can see that the current here it is clockwise, here it is anti-clockwise. एक फेस हमारे पास हो गया साउथ पोल और दूसरा फेस हो गया हमारे पास नॉर्थ पोल. तो what we are observing in this circular coil, I can say the current carrying loop behaves as a system of two equal and opposite magnetic poles, and it behaves as a magnetic dipole. So this is the result here. You can write, my dear children, again I am repeating that the current carrying loop behaves as a system of two equal and opposite magnetic poles, and behaves as a magnetic dipole. So my dear children, here I can say here is a current loop like this here, where the current is flowing, area cross section of this loop is A. Current is there. So magnetic dipole here, that is I into A. You can write this. Or the equivalent of this loop may be considered. One pole is north and another pole is south. So the dipole moment of the current loop, that is capital M. That is capital M. That is ampere into turns. एम्पियर टर्न्स. कितने नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स है? n. कितना करंट फ्लो हो रहा है? I. n इंटू आई इंटू एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन. एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन इज A. This is called magnetic dipole moment. This way may call it is a magnetic dipole moment. This is the unit here is ampere into meter square. This formula also we have to use in numerical side. So my dear children, you see this current loop is a magnetic dipole. Now one more small article, bar magnet is an equivalent solenoid. Bar magnet as an equivalent solenoid that we are going to see. Bar magnet, another learning objective is the bar magnet as an equivalent solenoid. As an equivalent solenoid. How it is? Let us see. My dear children, in solenoid, here you can see, here is a solenoid in this manner, in which I can say, yes, so this is a solenoid. Each turn behaves as a small magnetic dipole. Each turn behaves as a small magnetic dipole. The current enters here, I. The current going like this. Here, 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 here. New current aa rahi hai. Here and then leaving from there. So what I can say, the length of the solenoid, say it is L. The length of the solenoid is L. Each turn behaves as a small magnetic dipole having a magnetic dipole moment of each turn that अभी हमने देखा, that is I into A. N is the number of turns. So each turn has a dipole moment I into A. The number of dipoles is equal to the number of turns in a solenoid. Number of dipole is equal to the number of turns. कितने number of turns है यहाँ पर? Okay, each turn behaves here. Say it is north pole, south pole. Similarly here, north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole, like this. Each turn behaves in this manner. Then what happened? At the end, here like this. So my dear children, the number of dipoles is equal to the number of turns in a solenoid. How many turns are there? The south and north pole of each turn, here, 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 cancel out. Cancel each other, except the end. And at the end, I can say this end will behave as a south pole and this end will behave as a north pole. So solenoid can be replaced by a single south pole and north pole. Okay, this is there. Separated by a distance equal to the length of the solenoid. The magnetic field produced by a bar magnet the magnetic field produced by a bar magnet is identical to that produced by a current carrying solenoid. जो करंट कैरिंग सोलोनॉइड अपने को मैग्नेटिक फील्ड दे रहा है, that is nearly equivalent to a bar magnet. So I can say bar magnet as an equivalent solenoid. Okay? Yes. Write down. Then, my dear children, the next important article is that is torque on a bar magnet in a magnetic field. Torque on a bar magnet in a magnetic field. Yes. So write down torque on a bar magnet. Torque on a bar magnet in a magnetic field. This is our topic. Dear children, suppose this is our magnetic field. This is the direction of magnetic field. And here is a bar magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field. The two poles, here it is N pole and here it is south pole. That two poles experience a force. That two poles experience a force. Here the force would be MB. Here the force would be MB. Like this. The length of the solenoid is 2L. The angle, here we can say theta. So here, my dear children, if we draw a perpendicular here, it will like this. This is S and O. Now draw this figure. So when the bar magnet is placed in a magnetic field, the forces are equal in magnitude, this and this. Both the forces on the ends of a pole are equal and opposite. Equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. But they do not have same line of action. इसका line of action ये है, इसका line of action ये है. When their line of action of force are different, so I can say they will make a couple. They don't have same line of action. Constitute a couple of force. Constitute a couple of force. Then what happened due to this couple of force? It provides torque. Dear children, these two forces produces a torque, and this torque, क्या करेगा ये torque? This torque will try to rotate the magnet here. This torque tries to rotate the magnet और इसको इधर लाने का प्रयास करेगा ये भी ऐसे will torque will try to rotate the magnet so as to align in the direction of magnetic field. U है तो U लाने का प्रयास करेगा. Is it clear? So my dear children, force on north pole. See that what is the force on north pole? MB. That is along magnetic field. Force on the south pole, MB. That is opposite to the magnetic field here in this direction. So what is torque? That we had seen in first chapter also, 11th class also. So torque is equal to moment of the couple. Torque is equal to moment of the couple. Here. What is moment of the couple? That is the force into perpendicular distance between them. Force into perpendicular distance between them. That is NO. This is the perpendicular distance between the forces. Perpendicular distance between the forces, that is NO. So you can write here. What is NO? Sin theta लिखिए यहाँ पर perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is NO, hypotenuse is 2L. तो NO बराबर आ गया 2L sin theta. तो टॉर्क बराबर आ गया MP into NO, 2L sin theta आ गया. that is 2L sin theta. What is m into 2L? m into 2L is the magnetic moment. ये आ गया बच्चों mb sin theta. This is torque. है ना easy. The torque comes out to be mb sin theta. So you can write here torque in a cross product m cross b. Here. So what you are seeing here? The direction of magnetic moment say m, direction of magnetic field is b, but direction of the torque, this is the direction of torque, mb torque. When the angle in between them is 90 degree, here theta, when the angle is 90 degree, तो put torque sin 91 mb हो जाएगा maximum value. So my dear children, when theta is equal to 90 degree, torque would be maximum. When the theta is 0, it is in the direction of magnetic field or pi. So the value of theta is 0 or pi, so we can say torque is minimum. That torque is minimum. When theta is equal to 0 degree or pi, 90 degree it is maximum. Write down. Yes. Then what will be the work done in rotating the magnetic dipole? The work done in rotating the magnetic dipole, अगर आप डायपोल को घुमा रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू डू सम वर्क. तो लिखिए यहां पर वर्क डन, सेम फिगर यहां पर. द वर्क डन इन रोटेटिंग द डायपोल इन अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. Work done in rotating the dipole. Also, we are going to find out the potential energy here. So, dear children, when a bar magnet of a dipole moment m, हम यहाँ पर जो बार मैग्नेट ले रहे हैं उसका डायपोल मोमेंट इज m, is kept in a uniform magnetic field. When it is kept in a magnetic field, it experiences a torque, जो हमने अभी भी निकाला है, that is mb sin theta. That torque is equal to this one, which tries to align it parallel to the direction of the field. इस डायरेक्शन में लाने का प्रयास करेगा. If the magnet is to be rotated, वो तो in the direction of magnetic field ले जाना जा रहा है. लेकिन मैं अगर मेरी मैग्नेट को, if the magnet is to be rotated against the torque, so what? अगर against the torque जाएंगे तो we have to do work. Work has to be done. Work has to be done. So the work done in rotating the dipole, work done in rotating the dipole, say with a small angle theta. जैसे यहाँ पर ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, ये टॉर्क है, ये थोड़ा सा हमने इसको भी घुमा दिया, ये इसको हल्का सा घुमा दिया यहाँ, say angle d theta. So the work done in rotating the dipole would be small amount of work done. So I can say here that is dw, work done dw, force into displacement. Okay, this is the force, here is the displacement, torque into d theta आ जाएगा. So the total work done अगर आपको निकालना है तो you have to take integration with a limit. Say initial angle is theta 1, final angle is theta 2, so you can write torque d theta. This is the total work done here. Torque की जगह रख दीजिए mb sin theta. Theta 1 to theta 2, mb sin theta d theta. mb both are constant, may be taken out. mb हमने बाहर ले लिया. What is the integration of sin theta? The integration of sin theta here it is, we can say mb into integration of sin theta is minus cos theta. I can say this would comes out to be cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. With open the limit. Yes. So solve it. Use the formula of integration. So this work done in rotating the magnet is stored this work done will be stored as a potential energy. This work done will be stored as a potential energy. Okay? So my dear children, write down. See that what is going on here? Yes. Write down, my dear children. So what is the value of potential energy here? See that कितना आ रहा लिखिए और बताइए मेरे को. Yes. What is that? Integration of sin theta, you know, minus cos theta. And put the value limit here. Integration of sin theta d theta is equal to minus cos theta. And solve it. And see that this is the potential energy here U. This is the potential energy U. U comes out to be mb cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Where theta 1 suppose is 90 degree and theta 2 is theta. Then solve it. What is the value comes out? Theta 1 is 90 degree and theta 2 is 9 theta. Then what are the values we are getting? Yes, बताइए जल्दी से. Yes, 1. कौन बता रहे? Now that is put here U is equal to W of theta minus W of pi by 2. Yes. So dear children, that is equal to minus mb cos theta आ जाएगा. That is minus mb cos theta. You can say put the value of theta. तो थीटा 190 डिग्री रखेंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा, ये आ जाएगा ये. तो माइनस एम बी कॉस थीटा आ गया. तो दिस इज द डॉट प्रोडक्ट माइनस एम डॉट बी. दिस इज द रिजल्ट. Here, my dear children, what I can say in a different position, then what we are getting? What is the work done? What is the potential energy? Here, when the direction of the magnetic field is this one, the direction of your bar magnet is this one, say it is N, it is S, the magnetic moment is M, here magnetic field is B. जब थीटा यहाँ पर 0 होगा, direction in angle in between them is 0, the U comes out to be minimum value. This is the minimum value. Theta, that is here, and that value comes out to be minus MPR. Put it here. Cos 0 1 हो जाएगा. This is called stable equilibrium. This is called stable equilibrium. But if the magnetic field is in this direction and the bar magnet is in this direction, the angle both of them is 90 degree. Here is the magnetic moment. The angle in between M and P is 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0. So what is the potential energy here? U is 0. The potential energy here it is 0. At that time, we can write like this. U is 0, but torque is maximum. Torque is maximum होगा इस समय, and the formula for the torque mb sin theta होता है. Theta is 90 degree. This is U is equal to 0. This is there. इस केस में torque is minimum. Yes. And in the third case, when the direction of the magnetic field is B, direction of the bar magnet, the angle in between them is 180 degree. Put value here. The direction of the magnetic moment is this one. The angle here in between B and M is 180 डिग्री। तो यहां पर जब थीटा इक्वल टू पाई हो जाएगा तो u इज मैक्सिमम, u मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आएगा, दैट इज प्लस mb। पुट इट हियर, cos 180 minus 1, so we can write this is the condition of unstable equilibrium and torque is minimum. This is the condition called unstable equilibrium. Okay, write down. So what is the result came out with this? First write down, is it any problem? Then you may ask, these are the different positions of the bar magnet in a magnetic field. So potential energy of a bar magnet in a magnetic field is defined as the work done in rotating it from a direction perpendicular to the field to any given direction. हम चाहे जिधर मोड़ लें, to any given direction. For that we have to do work. Okay? Yes? Write down. One more small article we are going to see, that is Gauss law in magnetism. What is that? The Gauss law in magnetism Gauss law in magnetism. Gauss law in electrostatics we had seen in the first chapter. The Gauss law in magnetism, the magnetic flux phi b through any closed surface is always zero. Through any closed surface, this is the integral of closed surface b dot ds. This is the theoretical formula given by Gauss. If an electric dipole were enclosed by the surface, equal and opposite charges in a dipole, that up to zero, तो total charge कितना हो जाएगा वहां पर? जीरो. Therefore, जो phi होगा, phi of E is zero. So my dear children, in an electric dipole were enclosed by the surface and at that time the equal and opposite charges are there. और अब दोनों को हम जोड़ेंगे तो वहां पर टोटल चार्ज हो गया जीरो. So phi would be zero. So I can say the simplest magnetic element is a dipole. The simplest magnetic element is a dipole. Monopole is not possible. The simplest. So magnetic monopole is not possible according to this theorem. Magnetic monopole is not possible. Okay? Bye.